Your check engine light is on and your scanner pulled up a P0335 code. This code means the crankshaft position sensor circuit is malfunctioning. The crankshaft sensor is a critical component for your engine to run. Most causes of this code are inexpensive and fixable in your driveway. Here are 7 common reasons and exactly how to fix each one. Failed crankshaft position sensor. It reads a toothed ring on the crankshaft and sends pulses to the PCM. Its job is to report the exact rotational position and speed of the crankshaft at every moment. When the sensor fails internally or its magnetic element weakens, it cannot send a usable signal. The PCM loses the timing reference needed to fire spark plugs and inject fuel correctly, and P0335 is stored. You may also notice stalling or hard starting. How to fix it? Locate the crankshaft position sensor near the crankshaft pulley or on the bell housing. Disconnect the electrical connector and inspect it for damage. Use a multimeter set to AC voltage and back probe the signal wire while turning the engine by hand. No voltage or an erratic reading confirms the sensor is bad. A replacement sensor costs between $8 and $25. Damaged reluctor ring. The ring is a toothed steel ring pressed onto the crankshaft. Its job is to provide the physical teeth that the sensor reads to generate timing pulses. When the ring cracks, loses a tooth, or slips on the crankshaft, the sensor cannot read a consistent pattern. The PCM receives irregular pulses and stores P0335. This is less common but does happen on high-mileage vehicles or after extensive engine work. How to fix it? Inspect the reluctor ring with a flashlight through the crankshaft sensor hole. Turn the crankshaft slowly by hand and look for missing, bent, or broken teeth. Any visible damage confirms the ring needs replacement. A replacement reluctor ring costs between $20 and $60. Installation requires removing the crankshaft pulley and timing cover, so plan about 2 hours for the repair. Loose crankshaft sensor bolt. The sensor is secured to the engine block with a single bolt. Its job is to hold the sensor at the exact distance needed to read the reluctor teeth accurately. When the mounting bolt vibrates loose, the sensor air gap changes and the signal becomes weak or intermittent. The PCM cannot interpret the timing reference correctly and stores P0335. This is quick to diagnose and fix. How to fix it? Locate the crankshaft sensor and verify the mounting bolt is firmly seated. A standard 10mm or 13mm socket tightens it in most cases. If the bolt feels loose, torque it to specification using a torque wrench. Clear the code and drive. A properly tightened sensor with the correct air gap resolves the fault immediately on most vehicles. Wiring damage. The sensor connects to the PCM through a dedicated wiring harness. Its job is to carry clean signal pulses without interruption across the entire run. When wires break internally, insulation wears through, or a connector corrodes, the signal gets lost or distorted. The PCM detects irregular pulses and stores P0335. Wiring damage is common near heat sources like the exhaust manifold on older vehicles. How to fix it? Trace the sensor wiring from the connector back toward the PCM. Look for cracked insulation, chafed spots, or connector corrosion. Gently wiggle sections of the harness while watching the scanner's crankshaft sensor signal on live data. Any sudden signal change while wiggling confirms a wiring fault. Splice in a repair section or replace the connector pigtail. Repair kits cost between $5 and $20. Metal debris on the sensor tip. The sensor uses a magnetic pickup to detect the reluctor teeth. Its job is to stay clean so the magnetic field reads the teeth accurately. Metal debris from internal wear can stick to the magnetic tip and distort the signal. The PCM receives distorted or dropped pulses and stores P0335. This is common on engines with heavy wear or after work involving the timing cover. How to fix it? Remove the crankshaft sensor from the engine block. Wipe the tip with a clean shop rag and a small amount of solvent to remove any metal shavings or magnetic debris. Inspect the tip for cracks or chips. Reinstall the sensor with its bolt torqued to specification. Clean tips solve a surprising number of P0335 returns after other repairs. Faulty sensor connector. The sensor connector has small metal pins that must make solid electrical contact with the matching harness pins. Their job is to conduct the low-voltage signal cleanly to the PCM. When pins get bent, push back into the connector body, or corrode from moisture, the electrical connection fails. The PCM loses the signal intermittently and stores P0335 based on the circuit fault rather than actual sensor failure. How to fix it? Unplug the connector from the crankshaft sensor and inspect both sides under a bright light. Each pin should sit at the correct depth with no corrosion. Gently reshape any bent pins using a small pick. Spray electrical contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease before reconnecting. A tube of dielectric grease costs under $5. Low system voltage. The PCM needs a stable supply voltage to process sensor signals correctly. Its job is to monitor the crankshaft sensor at all times using the vehicle's electrical system. When the battery is weak or the charging system is failing, voltage drops can cause the PCM to misread the sensor pulses. P0335 may appear intermittently along with other voltage-related codes. This is often overlooked. How to fix it? Test the battery with a multimeter. A healthy battery reads 12.4 volts or higher with the engine off and 13.8 to 14.8 volts with the engine running. Below those values, the charging system needs attention first. Replace or charge the battery as needed before any further sensor diagnosis. A new battery costs between $100 and $200 depending on the vehicle.